us explore some few facts about leopards. Leopards are territorial and mark their territories. Leopards are very caring parents. Leopards spend most of their day resting. Leopards have a communication language for when they are sad or when happy. Leopards understand the importance of community. Leopards are natural hunters. Leopards are fast runners and very swift on their feet. Leopards take time off to relax, especially after a heavy meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.